Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world here on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about Asus Zenfone Live L2. Let's have a look. Asus has quietly unveiled a new entry-level smartphone dubbed the Asus Zenfone Live L2, following up the previously announced Android Go Asus Zenfone L1. Specs has been improved a bit for a Live L2, but unlike the L1, which is the part of Android One program, the L2 only boosts Zen UI 5 on the top of Android Oreo, so it has been stripped of the Android One feature. Much like every other entry-level phone, the device specs hit the basic and so will be priced responsibly along that line. Speaking of the design, the Asus Zenfone Live L2 gets a full-view 18.9 display with a lots of bezels around with a claim of 82% SDBR. The rear panel has a gradient color scheme that gives off rocket red and cosmic blue colors. It has single rear camera with no fingerprint sensor but only relies on the face unlock feature for biometric authentication. Much like the L1, the Asus Zenfone Live L2 is fronted by a compact 5.5-inch HD display with an 18.9 aspect ratio, 82% SDBR, and under the hood it packs the Snapdragon 425 for the 2GB plus 16GB models or the Snapdragon 430 for the 2GB plus 32GB variants, both of which can be expandable up to 1TB using a dedicated microSD slot just in case you need more storage space. The device gets a 3000 mAh battery with up to 29 hours of 3G talk time and comes fitted with a 13MP f/2.0 PDAF main camera, as well as a 5MP selfie cam with an LED flash. There is no word on pricing or availability yet, but there are indicate it will first roll out in the US. There are some other important specifications which we discussed to all of you. 5.5-inch HD IPS display with 18.9 aspect ratio, resolution 1440 x 720 pixels, 1.4 GHz quad, core Snapdragon 425 mobile platform with Android 308 GPU. 1.4 GHz quad, core Snapdragon 430 mobile platform with Android 505 GPU. 2GB RAM, 16GB internal storage, expandable memory up to 2TB with microSD. 2GB RAM, 32GB internal storage, expandable micro memory up to 2TB with microSD. Android 8.1 Oreo with Zen UI 5, dual SIM with dedicated microSD slot, 13MP rear camera with LED flash, 18MP front-facing camera, face unlock, 4G volt Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n, 2.4 GHz Bluetooth 4.2 GPS, and 3000 mAh battery. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming Asus Zenfone Live L2. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World, and stay with us. Peace out. Take care. Bye bye.